This is Little Fort, British Columbia. 1 minute random traffic, and we're starting off with what looks like a Ford F-150. Yeah, another big bustle of activity. Oh, here's some stuff coming off from the left. So it looks like a Toyota Matrix and a Kia Sportage. There's the Matrix, a full complete stop, and a Sportage, another full and complete stop. Gotta love it. Something going by on the right. It is a Toyota Tacoma. Yeah, so this is Little Fort. Very laid back, very relaxed. You can watch the snow melt or the grass grow. 3, 2, 1.